Everybody, welcome back to David Wickham RC Projects. We got the 29cc GT car finally back with the whole brand new rear end on her, with the 29cc King motor on it. I'm gonna run it around a little bit for you and show you how this thing turned out. It turned out pretty good. Give and say it just took a little bit to get it together. Maybe when I shut it down, I'll show you, kind of go over it and show you what I did to it. But it's running really good. Everything turned out really good. So with further ado, let's get this. It always happens to be in my videos. Something always happens to my car. Really funny. I wonder what happened. Let's go check it out. I know. Should have everything ready before you go. I know, you ain't got to tell me. At least I can get over there. There's a damn sprain just in my leg today. I was gonna just walk with my leg for a little bit, but I wonder what happened. Let's see here. Uh-oh. The nut on the bottom come off. Well, that's an easy fix. But yeah, we did a lot of work to it, guys. It turns a lot better now when the nut is in there. We're gonna kick it back on over there that way. No wonder it didn't do what it was supposed to do. That's gonna be interesting. Get that back over there. Let me see here. Hey, 1 minute. I'll set you down just for a minute, guys. I gotta unplug it so I can roll it, because on this setup it has the throttle and the brake together on the whole thing. A little hard to get in the back. I can't believe that stupid nut come off there. That's crazy. You know, I check stuff and check stuff and check stuff, and I'll tell you what, man, it's just really kind of fun trying to build these things and figuring out what you need to do and all. I do have another pan that goes on the back side of that Reuben setup. Put down in the comments if you'd like me to see me put that Reuben pan on there. It's the lower on the Reuben cars. This is going to wear me out today. I wasn't ready for all this. I know. You be ready for anything. I know. Alright. Let's go back over here. Hopefully we brought a nut to replace that. Because this little thing, man, surely is running good today. Got an 8000 stall clutch on it, which I always thought 8000 was too much, but it's 2-stroke, so it's, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, she turned out pretty good. I thought about putting the metal spur gear on there because it was slipping a little bit on me. Still may do that. So it's metal to metal instead of metal to plastic. But yeah, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Give me some comments and some feedback. And guys, we'll happily see you in the next one. Alright guys, y'all take care. Later.